Oh boys, we got this stupid piece of junk off of here. Stupid old friggin' thing. It was easy though. Like fucking 10 minutes. Alright, show ya. I show yas. I show yas. Still hesitant though. I think something's wrong with my fucking wiring. I don't know. Maybe the ignition? Who the fuck knows or cares? As long as it starts in the morning. Gets me where I need to be. Keeps my fucking 2 feet off the road there, bud. Better than 2 feet in a heartbeat. Sitting on the toilet seat. I'm not a guy named Pete. But my install looks neat. Hopefully it fits. Looks like it fits. I was getting a full signal through the wire, so it's gotta be those connections there, but we might as well just fucking put a new one on instead of being a cheap cunt. Well boys, every fucking night I'm over here with these two fucking sluts and we fucking having that starting issue, so we got this old fucking, she still works, but she's got a bad fucking connection here. So we're gonna fucking go with this one. Fucking sick mani pad.
Yeah.
A cool mani pad there, boy. We're taking her to get some new parts.
Conservation project.
This guy's got his fucking little flood pants on. This gun rolls away. Dodge Ram owner.
If your dad's yelling at you while you're backing up the trailer, tell him to fuck off. Cut her hard, straight back.
Pretty Prius from the city ain't got that, so why drive that? Nope.